lines, and the Caps win again.
These guys are amazing. They really are. I mean, they just continue to lose players left and right. And right now, the team looks something out of what their maybe their Sunday lineup might look like. It's the old B team, if you will. But sure enough, they are going out and just being the destroyer of the world on a day in and day out basis. These guys have been incredible. And you know, the real reason, should be told, Dane, is that it's the pitching staff. I mean, they've been throwing just absolute darkness and shade on people every single day. I mean, these guys go out and roll out of bed and allow 1 or 2 runs a night. And there's the most telling stat about these guys, and I'm not going to bore you with numbers because I don't really care to really get too deep into it. But when you don't score a lot of runs in a game, you are supposed to lose. Can we agree?
Sure.
So when you score 2 runs, you typically lose. Last year, the Caps, in games where they didn't score, I think it was like 3 runs or less. So this season, when they score 3 runs or less, guys are 19 and 14. That is unheard of in baseball.
Wow.
Because when you don't score a lot, you don't win. Last year, for comparison's sake, 23 and 54
on the
when
year.
they score 3 runs or less. It's just night and day with these guys.
Man. Well, yeah, you know, when you're talking about when you lose top-notch players who are at the Midwest League All-Star game, and this is a chance for those other guys, and they're like, hey, we could be next if we really lay on the gas here. And so they've all stepped up. And so here we go with the second half of the season.
You know what's bizarre is that when you play in West Michigan, you're playing in front of 7, 8, 9,000 fans a night, and then you get your promotion because you're working so hard for it. And the place you end up is where you play in front of about 200 on a nightly basis.
Wow, I didn't realize.
It's a weird dynamic.
Yeah, well, you know, that's interesting. Man, well, I tell you what, you do a great job calling the games. Hopefully the boys will continue to do well, and good luck. I mean, my God, that story is like one of the best things I've ever heard.
Thank you. Please do not find me.
Yep, you did it, man. You diffused it. Thank God you didn't say it, though, and thank God you didn't drop an F-bomb. Yeah, bleeping bleeps. Yes. Yeah, it'd have been you on the beach. You'd be doing podcasts from your living room like I had to do.
I'd be doing play-by-play for the local club.
Yeah. Yeah, Hasty, thank you very much, buddy.
Yeah, brother.
See you, man. All right, back in real time. I cannot imagine that moment, because it legit was Kirk Gibson was gathered around the radio listening, and he heard that. He heard that. It wasn't Joe Schmo Whitecap fan heard it, and then he found out secondhand, third hand through the grapevine.
Yeah, you're word for word.
The guy they were talking about. Whoa, man!
Especially a Tigers legend.
Oh,
Not just some schmuck player, like a middle of the road.
You know,
Tigers legend.
You think about legendary home runs. You have Gibson and the '84 team, what he did. And then when he did it for the Dodgers.
It's one of the most iconic moments in the history of baseball.
I can't believe what
they're ass-talking that guy.
Oh, my gosh. That is awesome. 800-785-1073. Call us on the Alan Bob's hotline. When we come back, sometimes bad things happen at Walmart stores. It's well documented. That add to the mystique of Walmart. This may be the worst thing. Tell you what happened in just a few short minutes as we say thank you to Alan Bob's for being on board again with the Eric Zane Show. They're located on South Division, 3 blocks south of 28th Street in Grand Rapids on the north side of the street. Check them out for everything hunting and fishing. I know you can go wherever you want, some of the usual big box places to get your gear, but it's just better when you get it at Alan Bob's. You're going to pay the same, and you get to talk with fishing experts who can give